What is going on, guys? Remix here. I haven't made a video in such a long time. But we're here, guys. We're in the Evolution. We are going to be installing the Turbo Smart blow-off valve on it. So this will be the second mod on this car. Let me close it up because I don't need it open right now. But you guys haven't seen this, is my GSR Evolution. I definitely need a wash. Look at this dirty car, man. Alright, here's Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. He's gonna help me record today's video. I'm gonna be doing flybys. But I don't think we should do it now because we're gonna go to the gym first.
Oh, we're going to the gym first? Bet.
I haven't installed it since apparently you're already kicking me out. I won't have time to install. But we can do before and after. We can do before, pretty much. How do you feel in those seats, bro?
Good. I'm starting to feel a little better in those and losing a little bit of weight.
So yeah, we're gonna be hitting the gym, guys. We're gonna be doing some legs and some cardio at the gym. Should be connected. No connection. I don't have my Bluetooth on. I don't understand why my Bluetooth is off. I don't turn my Bluetooth off at all. Let's get it, guys. We're going ahead to the gym. Such a beautiful day in the Evolution. And Bluetooth's still not connected. Come on, man, connect. Oh, there we go. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, guys, so we just finished our leg day. I don't know how I'm gonna step in the clutch, but I'm gonna have to go home. Look how he's shaking already, bro. Alright, guys, so let's get it, guys. We're gonna be heading over home. Brandon's gonna record some flybys of the stock blow-off valve. And yeah, it's gonna be good. And I know everybody's saying it's gonna need a tune and stuff. I obviously know it's gonna need a tune. I just want to do it just for the sound for now until I get a tune. I'm not gonna tune it for a little while because obviously I don't daily this car. I pretty much just take it sometimes to the gym, you know. I might take it to a car meet, but other than that, I mean, I'm not gonna really drive it that much. Mainly, oh look, there's the dude. He's wearing a nice suit, dude.
The dude. Oh, yeah. The gunshot dude?
So many people crossing right now, guys. Show the evil, man. Let me turn it down a little bit so I can copyright it.
This is not stock, right?
It is stock.
Why would they make it like that?
I don't know, but don't worry, I'm not slam, man. That Samsung tablet. I almost hit this car that had already been in an accident. But yeah, next clip, guys, it's gonna be some flybys in the Evo. I was about to say rally. I'm not used to saying the Evo. Alright, guys, so we're gonna do stock blow-off valve. So we're gonna be removing the stock blow-off valve. As you can see, it's really hot. I mean, it's not that hot, but it's, you know, it's pretty hot. So I'm not trying to get burnt. So watch me like take this off and just like explodes. It kinda could, I guess. All right, here's the other one. I'm not trying to touch the intercooler piping because it's hot. Oh shoot! I'm gonna have to need a smaller one, bro. Dang, it's stuck in there. All right, let me we'll see you in a second. Okay, well here's Evie, and look, this is Johnson Evie's WRX. They're just chilling in the garage.
Finally got it. Remember, I keep promising your viewers, I'm gonna get a WRX finally, dude.
Also me, I kept promising them I'll get an Evo. Now I have an
Also
Evo.
me, I promised them I gain weight and lose it. Starting to lose it.
Okay. Wow.
It's good.
But
I mean, it
look
may
at
not
this.
look pretty right now, but it's a process.
We're gonna install it here in the garage. The blow-off valve.
STI thing here.
It's like such a high tier that it gets.
You man.
No, the guys over there. Yeah. All right, guys. So my dad, Poppy, thank you, Poppy. He's always helping me. That bolt was kind of like hard to get out, so I had to come to my dad came to the rescue. He's helping me right now. Remove it. And I know I'm already going to see the comments saying that my dad does everything, but it's okay. What did the blow off valve? He's trying to pull it out now. That hose is stuck like for good, man. That's hard. In my rally it was so hard. In the video you literally just see the guy just pull it off easily. There's the stock one. This is where he's at. Titanium. Alright, and now we're putting in the new one. The new blow-off valve. Not really new, but it came out of Moralier, but it's still an install. Alright, now my dad's gonna hold the thing and we're gonna test it out. Ah, se fue ruido, ¿no? Sí, se mueve. Yo lo veo que se mueve. ¿Viste que se abrió?
Sí, se ría.
Nice. Alright guys, so we got it on.
Si quieres hacer, pueden hacerle la revuelta.
Nice. Thank you, Bubby. There's the stock one. Alright everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Look at the interior of this beautiful Evo. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna play some basketball right there with my family. So what's up everybody? It sounds amazing, guys. And then yeah, next hopefully upgrade should be the exhaust. I also want to get a catback, but I want to get a quiet catback so it can pop a little bit. And then I will see where we go from there. And I'm also thinking of plastic dipping the logo red. This is a man's car, right? What the? Oh, that's an SCI right there. But yeah, I'm thinking of plastic dipping this red. And that's pretty much it for exterior for now. Mainly just gonna focus on power and stuff. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. This is not my daily car, guys, so don't worry. I know I have to tune it because the car is not tuned to run this lean or rich, or I mean whatever it is. But yeah, I know I'm gonna get it tuned soon. But obviously I'm not gonna have this blow-off valve. I'm gonna buy a bigger blow-off valve for this car. But yeah, other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like I said, it's not my daily car, so don't freak out. I'm only gonna drive it like probably like 30 miles like every month, probably even less, because I pretty much work like 30 minutes away from home, and I'm not trying to drive my Evo 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna take it like car meets, you know, and it's a nice day like today, just take it out to the gym, you know, enjoy the warm weather, and yeah. But yeah, once I get it tuned and stuff, I can probably start driving it more and have more fun with this car. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.